Welcome to Safey. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using our application to perform a respiratory test. Let's get started. Open the Safey application. Agree to the policy of use. Here you need to fill in the patient's details. Patient ID could be anything. Enter the patient's first name, last name, height of the patient, weight and date of birth, and save the details. Now click on the Take Test button, allow for the Bluetooth permission, allow for the device location, click on the Take Test button, select Spirometry Test. Now select device and assign a name of your choice. Now click on the Connect button. Select FEVC test. This displays the current battery health of our device. Here are a few instructions you need to follow. Always insert the turbine from the front side of the device. Not like this. You always have to insert the turbine from the front side of the device. Then take a deep inhale. Put the device into your mouth like this. Then press the skip button and exhale all the air of your lungs into the device as much and as fast as you can. And then wait for the results. I will show you how to do it. This is our trial result with various graphs along with the required parameters. You can add unlimited number of trials by following the same instructions. Now click on the Finish Test to save the results. This is the history of last test taken by the patient, and you can print or share the customized report by selecting the View Report option. That's it. You have successfully completed the respiratory test using the Safey application. For more information or assistance, please refer to our user manual or reach out to our support team. Stay healthy and thank you so much for choosing Safey.